So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to break down a session where I didn't have I didn't have a single trade setup and explain why that's completely okay. I will walk you through my bias coming in today, what I was expecting to see, what the market actually did and why there was no high probability entry for me. So coming into the day, I always check the higher time frames because that's where is the context. That's where I see where the market is more likely to go. I will see the liquidity, and in today's scenario, we were holding pretty bearish. Okay, we had this 4-hour bearish gap, and on the 1 hour we had this 1 hour bearish gap too, and we did hold this one too in Asia session. Yeah, so I anticipated a continuation from here. Yes, we had a daily gap, a bullish daily gap, but I wanted to see some sort of retracement because we had a pretty bullish week, and tomorrow will be NFP, so be careful. Yes, I wanted to see these equal lows get taken, but it still didn't get hit. We are just chopping right here. So after I determined my bias, I went down to the 15-minute to see where price could manipulate. Ideally I wanted to see it manipulate higher, but we will inside of that 15-minute gap, and we did hold it. We got an inversion out of this 5-minute from the 15-minute. This was the right entry for the day. I mean, it was clean, but it was before the session opened, so I didn't take it, obviously. So the session opened, we immediately came down and took out this data low, and we had a data low here from overnight. I don't know what was that, and we came right down. We took out lows a lot. We had a pretty big SMT with ES here. Like, ES did not take, let's see, yeah, ES didn't take this low yet, so we have a pretty big bullish and bearish SMT too, but we only had this bullish at the time, which was bigger. We could have had long here on the 3-minute upside to this 50-minute gap, but I was not so sure because we are ripping lower and I wanted to see these lows get hit, and I did not want it to get caught up in longs because it would have played out, but it was not the trade for me. I was wanting to be patient with my entries, and when we came back to this 50-minute gap which we created right here, we came back to this 50-minute gap with the 10 a.m. open, so we had a pretty clean PO3 manipulation to the upside, but we never got an entry here. I was wanted to see something like, because we came up so fast, I wanted to see some retracement and come back at the 15-minute and get some sort of inversion out of there, because I only take the highest time frame inversion, and it was the 5-minute. and the stop would have been a little bit big, like it would have been a 1 hour trade, but the stop was just too big for me to take. And we started to chop here, and I saw that 5-minute inversion up here. We rejected from this bearish gap. It was not a bad trade idea because ES was pretty close to Asia highs, and I thought it will take it, but it did not. So and I didn't take this trade too. After that, I wanted to see some form of rejection from this area, because we tapped the 50% of the range again, and I wanted to see this 5-minute get ran through, but this did not happen, fortunately, because I would have entered here. It almost closed below it. I would have entered here and put my stops right here, I guess. It's still a 70-point stop, but it's okay. I mean, we could have had like a 1.2 R. And yeah, we did not get this inverse, and I did cut the day here. And this is the important part, because you need discipline to stay out of these conditions, because you will get greedy and you want to get in shorts right here somewhere because you think it will go lower, and you see this chop and you still want to get in the trade, and it is just, you have to be patient with your entries, you have to be patient with your trading, you have to be patient all along, because this is journey. You have to do it like that, because if you are not patient in this game, you're cooked. You're just cooked. Not every session is going to give you a setup. Sometimes the market moves too fast, sometimes it delivers without you, and that's fine. Your job is just to catch every move that it's to wait for your model and protect your capital. Like today you have to preserve your capital, because we don't have any real moves, only this initial move, and after that we're just chopping, because I guess tomorrow is NFP, so that's why. And I'm looking forward to NFP. I would like to catch some bangers there with a dollar week. It will be great, but we'll see. If you guys found value in this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.